So, I recently bought a couple wigs and I just wanted to kind of talk about them to show everyone, you know, what I liked and didn't like about them, because I saw a lot of reviews on a lot of different wigs from a lot of different places. And a lot of the girls that did the videos, I felt like they really knew what they were doing, and I just wanted to give a wig review from someone who has no clue what they're doing. This is from Wiggins Hair. The box looks like this. This hair actually came with a hair tie and a few eyelashes, but it's not much to talk about because the eyelashes were synthetic. I don't really wear eyelashes, but I could tell that these were not good eyelashes because they looked like something off of like a Barbie doll or something like that. And it just, I don't really know why they put them in there, but I didn't pay for it, so I don't care too much. Hair, it says virgin hair on the box, but I think that's for their weave, their individual tracks, not their wigs. This is Remy hair. It feels really good. I've had Remy hair in the past.
I did not like it.
It tangled. I had so many problems with it. But this hair so far, I've worn it for 3 weeks now, and I wear it almost every day. I switch between that and one other wig that I'll do a review on, and I roll around in it. I don't wrap my hair at night. I don't really take care of my hair, and it has been so silky. Just, I run my hands through it all the time.
I almost beg hair to tangle the way I handle it, and it has been great.
This is a 4x4 lace, and they do offer better lace on their website. I just, like I said, had no clue what I was doing, and I went in and I bought this 4x4 lace hair. And also what you have to be careful for on this website and some other websites, the lace was sewn together in 2 layers, so it was super thick. And so I got it and it looked like, almost like carpet, the way that like 2 pieces of lace were sewn together. So I just, I had to actually flip the hair inside out and cut off the inner layer of lace. Okie dokie. So this is her all flipped inside out. Show you guys some cap construction. Okay, here you can see where I absolutely butchered this wig. I would cut through the lace, but there was actually a double layer of lace at first, super thick, but I actually bleached these knots myself. They did not come bleached. I wish this hair pretty well since the lace was still like honestly really thick. It didn't get on the hair as much when I bleached it. Anywho, it has two clips on the side, and then in the back it doesn't have a clip. It looks like there was supposed to be a clip. I don't know why. There's like a thing here. There is a clip on the back. I actually love the back clip. It keeps it flatter because this wig doesn't lay as flat. I don't corner my hair, which is also my fault. Like, I'm not going to criticize the wig company for my wig not laying as flat when I'm not cornering my hair. But this wig clip in the back secures the wig. And also, if you're big on sewing like elastic bands to the back of your wigs, this is also a really great way to do that with. Besides that, and the horrible like quality of the lace, I actually like Wiggins hair because this hair, it's gotten a little matted in the back. But like I said, I don't know how to treat hair. I mean, I do know how to treat hair. I don't take the time to like take it off. I like to wear my wigs like sew-ins because I usually do get sew-ins. It does hold a curl pretty well. I would recommend a little bit of hairspray just to kind of hold it longer, because I feel like when I do curl it, which is often, I at least curl the front piece just to keep it off my face. That curl probably lasts maybe like 2 hours, but if I were to use hairspray, I could see it lasting like all day with just a little bit of hairspray. But overall, great quality hair. I love Wiggins. I definitely will probably be returning to them in the future. Besides that, that's all I have to say. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave them in the comment box. I will link everything in the description per usual, and that's all. But final disclaimer, I'm not like a wig specialist. I just started wearing wigs, and I thought I'd like talk about it, kind of like tell everyone my experiences with it, because I know some people get on YouTube and they look at the videos and they're like, okay, this is the wig I'm gonna buy, but then like they get the wig and they're like, I don't know how to do hair like me. So I just wanted to share my personal experiences. If
everyone could refrain from attacking me just a little bit, I'd be like, okay. But yeah, that's all.
That's all. You can comment like any good hair that you've experienced. Okay, catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.